I won't tell you no lie. I'm looking deeper inside. There's more to you than meets the eye. Yeah, no lies. I know that good things take time. Since you came into my life, being without you ain't right.
Welcome back to another video. It's your girl Tita, and if you are a new viewer, please make sure to click that subscribe button and join the family. Now let's get right into it. So as you can see here, I have some chicken thighs and I have the skin on. I already put some pepper and some salt on both sides, and I placed a saran wrap and I let them sit at room temperature for about 30 minutes or so, or until the oven preheats. And as you can see here, I'm just washing all of my vegetables. So I have some corn, some celery, I have a green bell pepper, zucchini, some carrots, and I just made sure to cut those all up in small pieces. And then I have 2 tomatoes for my broth. And then I cut up a shallot that I had left over. Here we have some visitors. Two garlic cloves. I also got some rosemary leaves and just cut them up. So now that my oven is preheated, I will place my chicken in there for about an hour. In the meantime, I'm going to work on my chicken broth. So I'm going to go ahead and drizzle some olive oil. And I'm going to place all those ingredients in there. I'm going to place my tomatoes, shallots. Then I'm going to place some seasoning in there, salt and pepper, put my vegetables, parsley, thyme, oregano, cumin, paprika, and some chicken cubes. If you don't have chicken cubes, you can use just the chicken stock, the one that they sell by the can or by the box, however you want. But I make my own, so that's what I use. And then I put some more chicken cube. So once my chicken is ready, I take it out of the oven and I like to let it chill for a couple minutes, maybe 5-10 minutes. Then after that, I start shredding it into little pieces. That way I can put it in my chicken soup. So as you can see here, I'm just using 2 forks and just shredding it. And then I place my chicken in there and let it get all those nice juices. Oh my god, you guys, the soup was so good. Now I'm gonna make Zayden's food. So if you do have a baby, you can still keep watching this. But if you don't, I guess we're done. and then I just blended it up, mixed it all together. And bam, you have your puree for your baby. And I had a lot of it, so it could last you a couple days. I want to know how you guys are doing during this time. Like, what are you guys doing? If you guys have any recipes in mind that you want me to try out, let me know. Link them down below in the comment section and I'll give it a try. Alright, now back to our chicken soup. We're just going to check on it now that it's boiled and all the flavors are mixed well together. Give it a good stir. So I like to add a lemon. So I did cut up a lemon and I'm going to squirt that in there. My mouth is already watering, guys. This is like so good. Oh man. Okay. And the reason why I talk so low in my videos is because I usually do my voiceovers when my baby's sleeping. So I don't want to, you know, be extra loud for no reason. So sorry guys if I sound like I'm whispering or whatever. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys give it a try, and if you like it, give me a thumbs up, leave me some comments, a subscribe. Like, come on guys, you guys need to subscribe to my channel. It's that way, you know, somebody can make some money. Alright, I love you guys, take care, be safe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.